Hi, this week I'm at Mobile Beat 2018, and this brings me over to the ProX booth. Now, ProX has got the Z table, and this is something a lot different than any of the other DJ tables out there. It's like a road case, but it transforms into a DJ table. It's 70 pounds, so it's a little bit heavier, but it does have casters. It's got wheels on it, and it's a really, really nice look. What I do like about it is a couple of things. The size is nice. You got 36-inch height. I'm kind of a shorter guy, but even the taller DJs, this is really a nice height for your DJ mixers. They've got a Roland on here now, which works perfect with what they're doing. And then if you kind of come around to the back, it's got a platform or kind of a tabletop there on the bottom that you can use for all your cords. They've got a power plug in there right now, but really, really nice. 48 inches by 25 inches, and when it compacts, you're down to 10 inches, which makes it very, very portable. And they do come in different colors, which makes it really, really nice as well. It's Jeremy with the Disc Jockey News, checking out all the great stuff. This is the Z Table by ProX. Check out more information online at the link below. Thanks for watching.